TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Tuesday morning. We're 30 minutes into the trading day, and we got markets giving back some of the gains. All things in context, though, folks, bumping up near all-time highs. You're talking about S&P's off about 0.3% right now. We're negative by 15 points, trading at 43.99. Get the NASDAQ 100, negative by about 0.4% right now. We're trading negative 72 points at 15,045. Putting this back on a year daily. So jumping over to the Dow, we were down 200 at one point in the Dow. We're down 140 points right now. They're big numbers, folks, but they're not as big percentage-wise because we're at such lofty levels. You get the Dow down 140 points. You're only talking about 0.4% in the red. Russell, some big numbers as it continues to be volatile. Russell down 1.4%. You're trading at 2182. The Russell, the only index, pretty far away from its all-time high. You got to go back to about March 12th of 2366. Bitcoin holding up relatively well near the highs of yesterday. We're trading at 38,580 for Bitcoin. Crude's up near $72, trading at 71.89. You get the gold contract catching a small bid, gives it back a bit. We're trading right at about 1,800 for gold. And we'll jump to notes and bonds right now. You get the 10-year up about 8 ticks, trading at 134.15. That's talking about a yield right now of about 1.24% on the 10-year. We jump over to the VIX with a little bit of negative action to kick things off. The VIX pretty elevated coming into the open. Right now, we've gotten a bid from the market lows. The S&P is back above 4,400 on the futures. The VIX trading at 1866. Okay, let's jump around to some of the stocks with their numbers. Watch out, Tesla. My goodness, you're down 1.5%. Folks, they crushed it. You know, they crushed it in a big way. As Kevin Hinks was talking about, watch what Tesla does. I hope this is not an indication of what may happen with some of these tech companies and the lofty expectations they may be dealing with tonight, but it's on the board. It's on the table, folks. You better believe it when you got Tesla trading down 2%. Okay, now you were up to 678. You just gave back $35 on Tesla, and they made $1 billion for the first time of net income in the second quarter. Pretty strong numbers across the board there. They only lost $23 million in Bitcoin. Not much from the volatility you're talking about. Revenue, they take in $660 million more than the market was looking for. But, man, they're selling it right now. Let's jump over. We got Microsoft after the bell tonight, down about 0.1%. We got Apple after the bell tonight, down about 0.2%. We got Google after the bell tonight, down about 0.1%. Boeing before the bell tomorrow, slightly in the red. Stay tuned, folks. We got Basil's show that he filmed live at 8 a.m. this morning coming up. Fast Market at 11, Larry at 12, Steve, Dave, and Basil this afternoon.